blueberry cheesecake. As you all might be knowing, some cheesecakes are made by baking and some are made by freezing. So today I'll be going with the traditional method, that is of baking the cheesecake. So without any further ado, let's go and see how we can make this cheesecake.
First, let's start by making the crust. For that, we'll need 3/4 cup of graham cracker crumbs, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, I'll be combining all of these together. Once the mixture is combined, try applying some pressure on top of that, and if it gets packed, you know that the mixture is totally ready. And then let's put that onto a spring-form pan and start packing that. You can use any sort of thing that you feel comfortable to pack it. I'm using a measuring cup. Now my mixture is totally packed. Now let's pop this in the refrigerator until we make our cheesecake batter. For making the cheesecake batter, we'll need 16 ounces of cream cheese, softened cream cheese. I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese, 2 eggs, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now into a large mixing bowl, add in your softened cream cheese and then start beating that. If your cream cheese is not soft, it will be very hard to beat that up. Now after a few minutes, just scrape down the bowl so that any excess cream cheese comes right into the bowl. And then again start beating that. Now my cream cheese is nicely softened. Let's add in the sugar along with the vanilla and again give that a good mix. And you want to mix this until the sugar is completely melted into the batter and you get a nice soft and creamy batter. Once you achieve that sort of state, let's add in the eggs and again beat that. Let's just stop the mixer and again scrape down the sides. And start beating that for the final time. And finally, for just one last time, let's just scrape down the bowl. And now the mixture is totally ready. Now I've took my crust out of the refrigerator and let's pour this cheesecake batter onto that. Let's give this quite a few taps so that any air bubbles come out. And then let's just pop this in a preheated oven of 325 degrees Fahrenheit for around 55 minutes. And again we'll have to pop this in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Now my cheesecake is totally ready. I had took it out of the oven and popped this in the refrigerator. And as this is a blueberry cheesecake, let's just top it off with some blueberry sauce. And let's just spread that out. And once that spreads no more, let's take off the spring form and again spread that with the spatula. You want to spread the sauce towards the ends of the cake so that the sauce starts dripping all over the cheesecake. Beautiful cake. Let me just lift a piece and show you. And you can see all those layers, the first layer of the crust, then the cheesecake and the pie filling.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below. Also subscribe to my channel. Thanks once again and bye bye.